This is a review on my 98 Acura Integra drift car, rear wheel drive swap. It is not front wheel drive. Hey Jeff! Jeff!
It's Tony!
Tony! Pop the hood!
Where the is it?
Pop the hood, Tony.
I can't find it! I seriously can't find it. I popped it.
Alright. This is my V12, V28 Honda motor. Quad Pro Charged. One Pro Charge, two Pro Charge, one hidden under there, and one back here. Jackson Racing Supercharger. I'm running about 50 pounds of boost on every single one of them. That's my battery. These are my 32-inch dubs. Cost me about 10 bucks. It's lowered about 10 inches. It was sitting about this high. Lowered it about 10 inches. All this body is carbon fiber, as you can tell. Bulletproof glass. In case I ride through the hood on Jackson, you know. Leather interior, 7-speed. This is my roll bar. Oh shit. This is my roll bar.
Did you fuck up the roll bar?
Tony, shut up. My racing seat belts.
It's the roll bar! Tony's tired. Tony can't breathe.
These are my twin Yoshis. Twin Yoshis, as you can see right there. Yeah, you see them. Aftermarket emblems. $2,800 for those. It's battery powered. Battery powered.
Get a zoom in on Tony's shirt.
Crank it for him. Crank it for him. Here, let me show you my twin Yoshis back here.
Can't find the ignition.
Don't press the gas, Tony. Rev it up. That's twin Yoshis. Let me show you the V12.
These are my drag sticks. I just blow off the pawn shop.
These
are my drag sticks.
Tony hat.
Well, as you can hear, rev it up a little bit. My main Pro Charger. Cut it off. Cut it off. Cut it off.
Tony!
I'ma whip you later. I'ma whip you. Dash says 340 miles an hour.
Yep, right there.
18,000.
Get a zoom in on the bug. Right there. That's my little bug.
Yeah, that's about it. HIDs, by the way. HIDs. As you can see, they are on. You just can't see them because they're HIDs. Yeah. That's my Hello Flush Integra. See you guys later.